Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to effortlessly create a funny animation from your images or drawings using a free AI tool in under a minute, and how to earn money from this funny animation. So, without further ado, let's dive into the process. Step 1. First head over to Animated Drawing website, which you can locate in the video description, where the link is provided. Next, click on the Get Started button to proceed. Step 2. Choose Upload Photo and pick your image. Once your image has been successfully uploaded, click Next to proceed. Step 3. Choose the area where your character is situated and proceed by clicking Next, once you have finished. Step 4. The AI will generate a mask for your character. If the mask doesn't encompass the entire image, you have the option to manually include or exclude areas using the pencil and eraser buttons. Once done, proceed by clicking Next. Step 5. Click and drag the joints to set them appropriately, as this is crucial for ensuring smooth movement for your character. Once you've completed this step, click Next. Step 6. Select an animation from the list. Choose the most suitable animation for your character, whether it be dance, funny movements, amusing gestures, jumping, or walking. Additionally, consider incorporating narration into your story using tools like ChatGPT and AI voiceover platforms such as HeyGen and AI Studios. Once everything is set, press the zoom button and choose Download to save your animation. Now, let's dive into the exciting part, making money with your funny animations. Social media is the best way for monetizing your funny animations. Share your creations on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Engage with your audience, use relevant hashtags, and who knows, your animation might go viral. Also build a loyal following, and once you have a substantial audience, you can explore monetization options like brand partnerships, sponsorships, or even direct sales. So, experiment, be creative, and most importantly, have fun with your animations. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting tips and tricks, and until next time, happy animating and happy earning.